Okay, team. So one of the number one reasons we see business operating systems or playbooks not working the way they should be, it's not because the content's bad, right? It's because the structure is a maze. It's a hot mess. So when your humans, when your team can't find what they need quickly, they just stop using it and they just come back to asking you because it's infinitely easier for them. So who can blame them, right? So knowing this and knowing that your playbook should be this tool that helps you to scale your business, that means that as we're adding team members, as we're adding services, as we're adding complexity, your playbook needs to start and stay really simple to navigate. So people in your team should be able to find the right process, the right thing they need fast, even if they're brand new. In fact, I was saying to my team the other day, the best way to think about a playbook is that it's this thing that I should be able to pick up and hand over to anyone on earth, and they should be able to sit in my seat and run the business, right? That's the idea. It's so comprehensive. It's so easy to use that anyone can run your business as long as they have the playbook. So that said, we need to be vigilant about organizing our processes. Now, there are two organizing models that we suggest that work really, really well. The first one is to organize by department. So think sales, operations, delivery, finance, people, and culture, right? This is really great when teams are clearly separated. Now, the other thing you can do is organize by workflow. So examples would include lead to client, client onboarding, service delivery, customer support, and renewals and retention. Now, this is great when multiple people can touch the same workflow, and that's what we actually use in our business. Now, the best approach is the one that matches how your business operates and how your team works and how they think. Now, the other thing I want you to think about is what we call the search rule. I need you to follow this without question. We don't argue with the search rule. You need to organize things by how people are going to search for them. People don't wake up and think, I'm just going to pop into the operations folder, right? And find what I need. No, they're thinking, how do I onboard this new client? How do I submit this request? What happens next? So label your playbook in a way that matches real team behavior. Also, keep it lean. This is another thing I wanted to mention in this video. Don't overbuild. You don't need 12 layers of folders, 400 categories. It can be tempting to do this because you want to, make it easy and searchable, but don't make a structure only you understand is the other thing I'll say. Keep it simple because simple wins every single time. So your action step for today is to pick one major workflow in your business. Let's say, for example, client onboarding. That's always a good one because getting this right is crucial. Then just create one process page for it. Link your SOPs underneath it, whether it's hyperlinks in a Google Doc, however you're building this out. Make sure people can, like I said, follow the bouncy ball. Make it easy for people to win. And that's the cleanest way for you to keep things scalable. Now, in the next video, let's talk governance, meaning how do we keep the playbook alive so it doesn't become stale and